नहीं दो
Hello everyone and welcome to the closing ceremony in the first season of Mumbai Ultimate League. After two postponing, whatever that word is, and worried about the third season, we were worried about Ganpati Visarjan. We're glad that we finally had the season, and we're glad that all of you showed up, especially all the players, especially the players from outside Bombay, perhaps including myself. Thank you guys so much for coming. The three of us couldn't be more grateful for this. Second, we would like to thank our 6 owners. Not all of them are here today. I believe 3 or 4 of them are. We thank you guys so much for supporting us and being the first people to actually invest in the franchise league for Ultimate Frisbee in India.
Yeah.
So thank you guys. Third, we would like to thank Sportscast. Thank you guys so much. Every weekend you are here. It's kind of crazy to think that we pull this off. We have 10 feet standings on both sides. We have a broadband line that goes through. They come and set up their monitor every year. They have a massive console. We have a director. We have so many cameramen. And thank you so much for making it happen and helping us with Mumbai Ultimate League. Thank you guys. Thank you, Sportscast. Of course, mention to Reflex. I think we've all seen the logo multiple times, as we should. We're supremely thankful for them. Obviously, we're thankful to everyone apparently, but they helped us support our dream, and we hope that MUL Season 1 is just the beginning. We'll go to Season 2, Season 3, hopefully take it to Surat, hopefully take it to Ahmedabad, Goa, and so on and so forth. Thank you, Reflex. And last but not the least, I have to thank these 2 guys standing right beside me. Without them, this dream wouldn't have happened. We spoke to each other Jan of 2020. We tried to have it in April 2020. That didn't work. We tried to have it in March 2021. I moved back to Hyderabad, but these 2 still believe that we could make this happen. And finally, September now, and it's October. We didn't even realize it's been 6 weeks, and we pulled it off. So, Maki bhai, Tahir bhai.
It is really exciting to see all of you present here right now. They were really intense games, and we want to build up the competition level in Ultimate Frisbee, starting from Bombay all over to India. So, Mac, you want to continue?
First of all, everyone want to say thank you, because from outside, from Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, they're traveling all the way to coming here, 20 to 25 player, and then coming every weekend and supporting us. That's really cool to see upcoming players from the outside. You can see them how they're playing on the ground. So thank you so much guys for supporting us and coming all the way. Second thing, I want to say thanks to Rishabh Bhai and Tahir all the way, traveling every weekend from Hyderabad and coming here 2-3 days prior, and doing all the things and supporting all the time, and it's really appreciated. Thank you so much.
Okay, one last group I forgot is our Kalina boys. वहाँ पे भी 2 बैठे हैं. Let's go louder. These boys came every weekend, helped us set up the field. We yelled at them. Random people yelled at them because they were confused and thought volunteers would know everything, but they supported us throughout the whole thing and listened to everything we said, and we can't be more grateful. So thank you guys, honestly, all of you. Too good. Agile, I think all of Mumbai Ultimate knows Agile. They've made us all these beautiful jerseys. Some teams have had 2 jerseys. But They came through for us. Jersey clashes. They came through for us, and now we have this Mumbai Ultimate shirts designed by Malini herself. So if you guys want to get one. Okay, saying all that, we'll get to the final awards. So we'll start off with Spirit. So the most spirited female, any guesses? No. I think this is I shouldn't ask for guesses. The winner is Nirva. Nirva, please come. Okay, the most spirited male. Is Gajju from Afterburners. Huge shout out to the Afterburners team. You guys had Aja. They had trouble with numbers every week, but you guys came through. Thank you, Afterburners. Most spirited team. And finally, the most spirited team goes to Cutting Chai. Hold on. Can we have the spirit captain? Bhai. Okay, now to the last 4 individual player awards. We'll start off with most assists female. I'm not going to ask for any guesses. Our very own Joanna Roy. Joe. Let's go. Tahir bhai.
Ice.
Yuvan Shetty, Mumbai Ultimate President.
The next, most assists male, any guesses? Keeping the trend, most scores male, any guesses? Atul's a close second, but the person who magged through the most. Okay, last individual award. Most scores female. Any guesses? Dexter? Okay, now no more guesses. I think we know what happened. So, Afterburner won once. Captain. Sorry.
सबको बुला के
मैं कहता हूँ. I didn't mean that, guys. I didn't mean that. Just leave it. Okay. Okay, third place, cutting chai. Can we please have the captains? अरे दोनों यार. सब लाओ. साहिल भाई को एक देते हैं पहले. डालो बहना यार भाग में. Okay, now we want all of cutting chai to come one after the other, and Sahil will give you a medal. अरे लाइन में आओ यार. Yeah, come here guys, come in the middle. Come guys, come.
मेरे को करना रहेगा बाकी बहुत जल्दी है. Yes, director. Go ahead, director. देखा शाम को निकल
Everyone give it up for Cutting Chai one last time. For what? No, do it after now. Sahil, stay back. Sahil, come here.
Speech.
So first of all, congratulations on third place. Well done.
Thank you very much. Starting off, for those of you who don't know, I had specifically instructed Sahu saying, Sahu, don't bid for me. I'm really tired of playing with you in the same team. I'm just so tired of it. But he anyway still bid for me. And I was initially very upset saying, yaar, the same team, the same kind of thing. But I think today I'm super duper happy with what everyone has achieved. And I'm super duper happy with the passion we showed on the field. And we had a lot of stuff going wrong on the first week. We've come together as a team and we've really, plugged in the holes. And I couldn't be happier with the way everyone's played today. So, thank you guys.
Don't forget you lost one game to Bomb Squad.
Thanks,
But-
Shantanu also.
Second place, as we know, the final just happened. Can we please have the captain of Bombay Vantais?
Yeah. Come here.
Go. All right, now same drill. Hold on. Yeah. One after the other, please.
Call your teammates, guys. Come. Nice one, Vantais. Oh, Shetty bhai.
Dex, can you please come around and get the runners-up trophy?
Get the trophy. Come.
Oh yeah, go after.
हाँ?
हाँ वो करके ऐसे आएगी वो.
पीछे से बुला लो ना.
Dex, hold on. Dex, can we have a word? Tuhin! How about both of you come? How about that?
Come with the trophy.
Dex, first year as captain and for Bombay Bantais, went to the final. What do you think?
I'm very proud of what our team has played with, and I think we had a lot of fun playing off the field and on the field. So thanks to Tuhin for organizing such fun activities off the field as well. And I'll surely miss these guys a lot. So hopefully we can get the second season.
Guys, give it up for Dexter, captain of the Bantais. Tuhin. First time as a owner, slightly new to the Mumbai Ultimate scene. What do you think?
It was a good season. It could have been a great season, but it was a good season. Thank you to the Bantais. We came close. We came together. More importantly, as I keep telling the people here, there's more to life than frisbee, and I think in that part, I'm very happy that I made these friends. And and thank you to all of you guys for having this. Congratulations, Icebreakers. Very well played.
Thank you, Tuhin. Thank you for being such a good owner and organizing all these events and letting me play in your practices. That was fun. Okay, and last but not the least, before I forget, Shantanu, thank you so much. Every weekend, every Monday, I think all of us on the Mumbai Ultimate group wait for the pictures to come out and see how we look, how good or how bad we look. And Shantanu only wait. Sorry? For a year. Every WhatsApp profile picture I see now, if they're marking someone also, it's their profile picture. But Chandru, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. And last but not the least, can we have the captain of Icebreakers, please? Co-captain, so that's why I called him as well. हाँ एक दूसरे को मेडल बना दो. पहले यहाँ. And now can we have the rest of the Icebreakers join them, please? Let's go, team, let's go! Ice! Ice! Well played, well played.
Yeah, Joe. It's okay.
Yeah, copy us. I get it.
Please. Yeah, Sharanya. Yeah. Oh.
Why are the people sitting jumping? Yeah.
After this, we have one more thing.
Okay, let's give a big hurrah to the first winners of the MUL. Come on. भव्या भाई आप बोलो पहले कैसा लगा?
Intense, amazing, and seriously sweet revenge, because we had already lost 3 times against the Bantais in the league, plus of course in semi-finals as well. So we really were waiting for this one, and I would really like to thank the team for the sort of intensity that they've showed, because 3 games is genuinely too much, and that's why you could see them cramping up as well. But yeah, the feeling is ecstatic for sure, because inaugural edition.
Tahir bhai, you're hosting the tournament and you're winning it. Some might say there's conflict of interest. Any thoughts?
Definitely. There were a lot of allegations against me also that this is all pre-planned. I'm going to win this. But yeah, you could see I would like to thank all the players who in the icebreakers. They played solid throughout the tournament, and we as a team, even though we were down initially, we came back as a team in the finals and we showed it.
All right, thank you, Icebreakers. First winners of the MUL. And with that, like I said, thank you guys, thank you everyone. Please pick up all your trash, get home safe, and see you next year. Thank you. That'll come, bro.